Ever found yourself scrolling through an online checkout, ready to hit buy now, only to realize your payday is still a little too far away? You're not alone. That's where services like Beforepay come in, offering a financial bridge to get you what you need, when you need it. But the big question is, where exactly can you use Beforepay online? Think of Beforepay as a helpful friend who spots you a bit of cash before your actual paycheck lands. It's designed to ease those mid-cycle crunches. Now, specifically in the online realm, Beforepay operates a little differently than a traditional card you might swipe at a physical store. It integrates through a system of virtual cards. When you sign up for Beforepay and get approved for a limit, you can generate a virtual MasterCard within the Beforepay app. This virtual card functions just like any other MasterCard for online transactions. This means that any online retailer that accepts MasterCard as a payment method can technically accept your Beforepay funds, provided you have generated and are using your virtual card details. However, there's a crucial nuance to understand. While the underlying payment processor might be MasterCard, the actual integration and user experience can vary. Some online retailers might offer a smoother, more direct integration with services like Beforepay in the future, but currently, the primary way to use it online is via that virtual card. So, instead of looking for a specific list of stores that accept Beforepay, it's more accurate to think about online stores that accept MasterCard. The vast majority of e-commerce platforms, from your favorite clothing boutiques to online marketplaces and even subscription services, generally accept MasterCard. This gives you a significant degree of flexibility. Need to grab groceries online? Most major supermarket delivery services accept MasterCard. Want that new gadget from a tech retailer? Again, MasterCard is usually an option. Fancy treating yourself to some new books or streaming a movie? You guessed it, MasterCard is widely accepted. The key is to ensure you've generated your virtual Beforepay card within the app and are using those specific card details, the card number, expiry date, and CVV, at the online checkout, just as you would with any other MasterCard. It's also worth keeping in mind the spending limits you have within your Beforepay account. Just because a retailer accepts MasterCard doesn't mean your Beforepay transaction will automatically go through. You need to have sufficient available funds within your approved limit. As the landscape of buy now pay later and similar services evolves, we might see more direct integrations with specific online retailers, streamlining the process even further. But for now, the virtual MasterCard is your key to unlocking the online world with Beforepay. So, the next time you're browsing online and considering using Beforepay, look for the MasterCard logo at the checkout. Generate your virtual card details in the Beforepay app, enter them as your payment information, and you're likely good to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.